बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The consequence of useless talk. Complete story in English. In a village, a man always talked too much and interfered in everyone's matters. People tolerated him but disliked him. One day, during a village meeting, he interrupted and said something silly. Everyone laughed at him. He realized useless talk only ruins dignity. Moral: silence is golden and wisdom lies in measured words. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.